I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select MasterStudy LMS. Choose a form. Choose a course. Next. Now here search and select Mautic. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key and secret key, go to Mautic Dashboard. Click gear icon in the top right side corner, then click API Credentials. Now click New button. Select OAuth 2 in Authorization Protocol. Here, give a meaningful API name as you want. Now navigate the integration page and copy the redirect URI. Paste it here. Now click the Save. API has been created successfully. Copy the client ID. Paste it here. Copy the client secret. Paste it here. Now paste the domain name, which is Mautic URL. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now map the field. You can add a tag to the contact by enabling this action. Here's the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mautic. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your other WordPress user. And go to the MasterStudy LMS site. Enroll now. Start course. Course enrolled successfully. Now navigate Mautic page and click the contact. Here is the data that came into Mautic through the integration. Thanks for watching.